Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Suha. Suha. Suha meaning pomelo. Luha. Luha. Luha meaning tear or tears. Kuha. Kuha. Kuha meaning get. Pandinig. Pandinig. Pandinig meaning hearing. Pandilig. Pandilig. Pandilig meaning watering pot. Puno. Puno. Puno meaning full. Puno. Puno. Puno meaning tree. Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayaw meaning dislike. Kakaiba. Kakaiba. Kakaiba meaning different. Patay. Patay. Patay meaning dead or off. Niyog. Niyog. Niyog meaning coconut. Banga. Banga. Banga meaning earthy jar. Eroplano. Eroplano. Eroplano meaning airplane. Pakay. Pakay. Pakay meaning motive. Rason. Rason. Rason meaning reason. Intention. Intention. Intention meaning intent. Madlang. Madlang. Madlang meaning all or whole. It's often used in phrases like madlang people, which means to all people or the whole community. Ipis. Ipis. Ipis meaning cockroach. Leeg. Leeg. Leeg meaning neck. Balikat. Balikat. Balikat meaning shoulder. Talampakan. Talampakan. Talampakan meaning foot or sole. It refers to the underside of the foot or the part that touches the ground when standing. Apo. Apo. Apo meaning grandchild. Iho. Iho. Iho meaning young one, but it is for boys. Iha. Iha. Iha meaning young one, but this one is for girls. Ineng. Ineng. Ineng meaning dear or sweetheart. It is often used for girls or young girl. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!